Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best infrared saunas that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to relax, detoxify, or elevate your wellness routine, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the upgraded sauna box for relaxation and detoxification. This portable steam sauna is designed for home use and offers a compact footprint of 2.6 feet by 2.6 feet by 5.9 feet. It's perfect for those who are tight on space yet want to enjoy the benefits of a sauna at home. The product includes a steamer with 9 adjustable levels, allowing users to customize their sauna experience to their preference. Its portability means you can set it up in minutes and store it away just as quickly. The design is minimalistic, featuring a simple tent-like structure with a zipper entry. While the build quality is decent, it lacks the premium feel of some higher-end models. The compact size is great for single users, but taller individuals may find it slightly cramped. The included steamer heats up fairly fast, providing a consistent steam experience. However, the lack of additional features like red light therapy or advanced insulation places it lower on our list. This sauna box is best for entry-level users who want a simple, no-frills solution for relaxation and detox. While it's affordable and functional, it doesn't stand out in terms of performance or innovation. Overall, it's a decent choice for those who value portability, but may not satisfy users looking for a more immersive sauna experience. Pros include its compact design and ease of setup, while cons are its limited features and average build quality. At number 4, we have the Tareed Portable Far Infrared Sauna. This sauna tent offers a full-size design, measuring 35 inches by 35 inches by 71 inches, making it spacious enough for users to sit or stand comfortably during their sessions. What sets this product apart is its far infrared heating technology, which penetrates deeper into the skin compared to traditional steam saunas. The sauna also includes a time and temperature remote control for added convenience, allowing users to customize their experience with ease. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a durable frame and high-quality materials. The tent itself is well insulated, ensuring efficient heat retention. While the build quality is solid, the setup process can be slightly tricky due to the detachable frame. Performance-wise, the infrared heating provides a dry sauna experience that feels rejuvenating and effective for relaxation, detoxification, and even mild pain relief. However, it lacks additional features like red light therapy, which some competitors offer at this price point. This sauna is ideal for users looking to experience infrared technology in a portable format without breaking the bank. It's a great choice for those who prioritize performance and comfort, but it may not be as feature-rich as other models. Pros include its spacious design and effective infrared heating, while cons are its lack of added features and somewhat involved assembly process. Taking the number 3 spot is the Umix Gene Infrared Sauna Blanket. This innovative product offers a unique take on traditional sauna experiences, providing portability and convenience in a compact design. Measuring 6 feet by 2.65 feet, this sauna blanket is perfect for users who want to relax and detoxify while lying down. With a maximum temperature of 176 degrees Fahrenheit and multiple heat settings, it delivers a powerful yet customizable experience. The blanket includes a timer feature ranging from 20 to 60 minutes, making it easy to manage your sessions. The design features a sleek black finish and an ergonomic layout that wraps around the body for maximum heat retention. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that ensure longevity and consistent performance. Unlike traditional sauna tents or boxes, the blanket heats your body directly, promoting deep sweating and toxin elimination. It's particularly effective for users with sensitive skin and works well for accelerating metabolism and burning calories during use. However, it lacks the immersive feel of a full-body sauna tent and might not appeal to users who prefer to sit or stand during their sessions. This product is ideal for individuals seeking a portable, space-saving solution for relaxation and detox. It's perfect for those who want a quick and effective sauna experience without the hassle of setting up bulky equipment. Pros include its portability, ease of use, and effective heating performance, while cons are its limited versatility compared to larger sauna systems. Coming in at number 2 is the iTheraO Infrared Home Steam Sauna Box. This product combines the benefits of steam sauna therapy with 660 nanometers red light therapy, offering a unique and comprehensive wellness solution. With dimensions of 71 inches by 32 inches by 32 inches, it provides ample space for users to sit or stand comfortably. The included folding chair adds to the convenience, allowing you to relax in style. The 3L steamer heats up quickly in just 6 to 10 minutes with a maximum temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit and offers 15 adjustable levels to suit your preferences. The design is sturdy, featuring a stainless steel frame and a high-density 5-layer waterproof insulation material for optimal heat retention. The red light therapy lamp is a standout feature, aiding in muscle soreness relief, post-workout recovery, and overall physical well-being. The detachable frame ensures easy assembly and storage, making it a practical choice for home use. Performance-wise, the combination of steam and infrared therapy delivers a deeply relaxing experience that's both rejuvenating and therapeutic. However, the slightly higher weight of 18 pounds may make it less portable compared to lighter models. This sauna box is ideal for users looking for advanced features and a high-quality build. It's perfect for those who want to incorporate red light therapy into their wellness routine. Pros include its spacious design, effective combination of steam and light therapy, and durable build, while cons are its heavier weight and premium price point. And finally, at number 1, we have the iCDO 2-person portable infrared steam sauna. This sauna stands out as the most feature-packed and versatile option on our list. With dimensions of 72 inches by 50 inches by 36 inches, it offers an extra-large size that's perfect for 2 people to enjoy simultaneously. The inclusion of 2 folding chairs ensures comfort during your sessions, making it great for families or couples. The dual 3L steam pots with 1300 watt power provide rapid heating, reaching up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 6 to 10 minutes. The sauna also features 9 temperature settings, a 660 nanometer red light therapy panel, and a transparent window for convenience. The design is robust and user-friendly, with triple-layer waterproof cotton for insulation and a sturdy frame for durability. The red light therapy panel is a standout feature, delivering deep skincare benefits and enhancing cellular repair. The steamers are powerful and efficient, filling the sauna tent quickly for an immersive experience. Additional features like the remote control, storage pockets, and double pull zipper enhance usability, while the foldable tent design makes storage and setup a breeze. Performance-wise, this sauna delivers exceptional results in relaxation, detoxification, and overall wellness. This sauna is ideal for users who want the ultimate home sauna experience with room for 2. It's perfect for those seeking premium features and a spacious design. Pros include its large size, dual steamers, and advanced red light therapy, while cons are its higher price range and slightly bulkier setup compared to smaller models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.